Conchita is really in love with everything I did like for Eurovision, so it's a big compliment, you know. It's like, you know, we brought art to Eurovision, and that's the big, you know, deal for everything, because like this year's Eurovision theme is celebrate diversity. I think that I prepared, like, you know, big difference between Conchita and me, that I'm a professional actor. This is like my character.
Yeah, I don't know, because Occidentalis Karma maybe is a good song, and I give all my spontaneous way to dance and sing, maybe with my smile, typical, or mustache, dancing mustache, like this, you know, maybe.
Everything is so great, everything is well prepared, the team is amazing, the Eurovision people are doing the best they can, and I think it's gonna be an amazing show during the first semi-finals. So just watch the show and have the best time. It's gonna be spectacular.
Yeah, it's really cool, especially because what you said, because we're sisters, you can share that moment only with each other. So I wouldn't want to do it on my own or with someone else. It's really special.
Thank you.
I have more energy than the others for sure, and I don't know, I'm the most chilled contestant for sure. I'm not scared of anything. I'm just having my time, like feeling happy and everything. Yeah.
And now we see Demi from Greece.
Welcome.
The idea about it, so this is the best thing about it. It's not difficult at all.
Excellent. Thank you very much. So much. Enjoy your night.
Thank you.